Jack and Jill are siblings and they attend the same school. Jack takes 42 minutes to walk home, while Jill takes 39 minutes. The first question, if they arrive home at the same time, what portion of the distance had Jack covered when Jill left school? So if Jack takes 42 minutes and Jill takes 39 minutes and they arrive at home at the same time, then it will take precedence that Jack already walked before Jill starts walking. So with that, we can just simply subtract the number of minutes Jack takes walk home minus the number of minutes that Jill takes home, and that will be 3 minutes. And within that 3 minutes, we need to find the portion of the total amount of time. Since the 42 minutes takes the whole distance, so we can use it to portray the total portion of the distance covered when Jack already started walking home, and that is 1/14 of the total distance. Second question, if they met at the halfway point, how long after Jack left school did Jill start walking home? Since they will meet at the halfway point, we can use simply the half of their time and equate it to the other. So since it will take more time for Jack to go to the halfway point, then there is still a time that we need to add to get the equal value of the time it takes Jill to be equal to the time it takes Jack to reach the halfway point. And with that, we can just press shift solve and we solve for x, and the value is 1.5 minutes. Question number 3. After a year, Jack and Jill attended different schools. Maybe they had graduated. Jill's school is 1.60934 kilometers further from home than Jack's, and she takes 51 minutes to get home, while he only takes 37. If they are both walking at the same speed, find the distance to each school and the speed they are walking. Express your final answer in 5 decimal places. So since they have the same speed, then Jack's speed is distance over time. So suppose we let x to be the distance, and the time that Jack will get home is at 37 minutes. So since the speed of Jack and Jill is the same, we can equate it to Jill's distance. So since Jill has 1.60934 kilometers more than the distance of Jack's school, and it takes her 51 minutes to get there, then we need to determine the value of the distance of Jack's school. So to find that, then we can use shift solve to solve for the variable x and press equal sign. So then the distance from Jack's school to his home is 4.25326 kilometers. While to get the distance of Jill's school, we just need to add the 1.60934 to the value of x, and we can get that the distance of Jill's school is 5.86260. So since we need to express the final answer in 5 decimal place. Now to determine their speed, then we can use distance Jack's cool divided by his speed. But since his speed is in minutes and we need it to be kilometers per hour, then we need to multiply this by 1 over 60 minutes. Then we can see that the speed of Jack and Jill's speed is 6.89717 kilometers per hour.